Hi and welcome to the segment of math exam questions on two-dimensional objects. Question 21. The diagram shows a semicircle with diameter 9 cm. Calculate the total perimeter of this semicircle. The total perimeter is the sum of its arc as well as its diameter line. Question 4. Complete each statement. A quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. Having segmentized the series of exam questions into relevant topic, question 2 will see to only one relevant quadrilateral being shown on a 1 cm square grid. Write down the mathematical name of the shaded quadrilateral. It's a trapezium. Next, for the shaded quadrilateral, measure the perimeter. The sum of each of the lengths shown on the diagram will get you to 16. Next, work out the area. In this case, the area can be worked out using the formula of a trapezium or by summing the area of the rectangle and a triangle. Question 5a. The diagram shows a rectangle with length 7a and width 2a. Write an expression in its simplest form for the perimeter. This is 18a. Next, identify the expression for the area. The area comes to 14a square. Question 5b. Points P, Q, and R are on the circumference of a semicircle with center O and radius 8 cm. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. Calculate the shaded area. The shaded area can be calculated by subtracting the area of the triangle from the area of the half circle. By doing the maths, we should be able to arrive at this area being 36.5 cm square. Question 5. The diagram shows the surface of a garden pond made from a rectangle and two semicircles. The rectangle measures 3 meters by 1.2 meters. Calculate the area of this surface. The required area is the sum of the rectangle and two semicircles. The two semicircles can be consolidated to form a circle. Question 8b. The diagram shows a sector of a circle of radius 3.8 cm. The arc length is 7.7 cm. Calculate the value of y. By applying the formula in calculating arc, y is 116. Next, calculate the area of the sector. Applying y being equal to 116 degrees into the formula for calculating the area of a sector, you'll arrive at the area being 14.6. That's all for this segment. Do get into our other videos under KT Tutorial channel if you've liked this.